Zino milioni 45 za Mwami Bulegeya. Zo milioni zo 5 oyagala 5 kati Bulegeya asigaza 48 bonna tubawadde milioni 2. Tetwagala kuddamu kulaba katambi akagamba Bulegeya simanyi onaanona mmere yalute emwanyi nga Bulegeya yazireeta emboozi ekome.
Okusokera ddala twebaza Honorable Balaam nti bwe yawulidde omulanga nga tubanja ssente z'emmwanyi waffe tubadde tubanja ekibaye kitusumbwa mu bino ebintu byonna ebbanga lyonna kyembanyi gwe twali twaziwa Honorable Nammere yali yagenda okukola acknowledgement y'emmwanyi ezo era nga kibadde kyasiba ssente zino zituwa naye olwaleka tufunye ssente zino twebaza Honorable Ssebo mulimu omulungi gw'otukoledde era tugenze kuweereza nenda tusuubira zikyabanja bajja zituwa naye nga twebaza nnyo president.
Anyway, nze njagala kuwalika mu politics wamwe tesagala kubeera mu politics wamwe Masaka. However, you come. I want to make it clear, His Excellency the President saw a complaint on UBC regarding the seed suppliers or seedling suppliers who had supplied coffee to our structures in Masaka through Mr. Bulegeya. The lady here was accusing Honorable Nammere that she's the one who took the coffee. Indeed, she took the coffee, but the coffee was only given to her by Mr. Bulegeya, so she had nothing to do with that coffee. However, His Excellency, being a father, he has decided to clear that debt of 200 million. These young people were demanding 152 million. Then the balance of 48 million has been given to the chairman, NRM, because he also supplied his and he still has a balance with us. So the president does not lie and the president does not encourage anyone to cheat anybody. He's a very honest man and he's a caring man. So let's not drag his name or the people working for him as long as they are doing his assignment again in the media.